Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Smart. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button because it's very important. Make sure you leave a comment in the description below if you are missing or misunderstanding something in my video, because it's very important to me. And make sure you leave a like behind. Make sure you share my video to every new person or the people you love, your loved ones, your friends or your family, because here in my channel I'll talk a lot about financial stability. I even give the best idea of how to make money online, the best website to invest, and how when they're going to last. Even if they are fake, I'll give you the best details of their website. So if you are new, make sure you leave a like behind, comment and subscribe. I'm bringing up a new video that talks about how I made a bunch of money from it, because I realize it's very important to you. So you have to make sure you get in the data, or you get in your Wi-Fi, your mobile phone or your laptop. So money is very important when it comes to my channel. Sharing this best idea with you guys makes me very happy. So if you are new, I repeat again, make sure you subscribe, because leaving these details or skipping any part of this video, I'm telling you that I'm missing a whole bunch of money. So here right now I'm going to talk about one video which I'm going to make right now, and it talks about how I make $100 from a website. So I decided to share this video with you. It's gonna make me happy when I'm sharing this video, and it's very easy to earn. It's actually a new app that came in the system recently. So when I made this bunch of money, I want to share with you so that you guys could understand. I'll be right back. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I'm going to talk about how this app works. Actually, the app I want to introduce you and how you can make some couple of dollars is actually called Purple app. Actually, this app is a new app that came into the system recently, and so far my friends have earned a couple of dollars. So I decided to introduce you to my follow, because I can't be making this money all alone by myself. So when I'm going to look for the app, so actually this is the app, it's called Purple Life, and the app actually have a simple task which you can actually conclude to earn your own money. So we're going to go into the app right now to show. I'm going to show you some pretty things which I think is very important when you are new to the platform. And not to forget, please, this app, before you join, make sure that you have an agent. And if you are new to join this app, don't worry, I can guide you through. I'm going to leave a WhatsApp group link under the bio description, so that you can click on it straightly to the WhatsApp group. And if you have any question, please, you can ask inside the group, because those in the group are highly intelligent people who don't really know what the app works. Some of them are experts, some of them are just beginners, but if you put in your question, the expert people are going to give you the answer to your question. So we're going to go straightly to the app right now. So we're going to look for, you can actually go to if you're new, you can go to Google Play Store. You can go to Google Play Store. I've already downloaded, but I want to show you some. You go to Google Play Store, click on the searching bar. So as you can see, as I'm getting into the app, you can see that all the people I followed have already come online and they're checking my profile. But for that right now, I'm going to go back because I want to do something to show you. So you're going to look for the app on Google Play Store. You just type in Purple Live app there. Down there. So you just click on Live app. This is how it looks like. There is no features that is going to disturb you. So it's very simple to search for on Google. And actually, this Google platform has been there for a while now, and we've made a couple of dollars so far. So right now I'm going to go straightly to the app, and we'll see every process which is needed for you guys to understand. So this is how the platform actually looks like. This is one of my friends on the Purple app. That's he's also an expert so far. So you can see there's some little tasks which you can do to earn a couple of dollars. So this is how the app works, and as you can see, this is how the app works. This is a withdrawal platform. You can the coin you can draw is the P point. The point is the coin you can withdraw. So this one here I use normally is for gambling or my tax. I used to complete my tax a lot. So this is how the platform actually looks like. And if you are new to my platform and you are new to this site, this site actually pays you to come on live, and there are a whole bunch of women doing their taxes here. So they earn a couple of dollars, and actually I'm telling you that you can earn almost $7 each and every day. Sometimes it depends on your level. The higher your level, the more earnings you earn from this side. So if you're on level 1, I can earn you like your hardware can earn you like $1 or maybe a lesser price. So if you get to level 6 or 7 or whatever level you think it is good for you, you can earn more from this side. So people are here right now, they are completing their tax. This is for actually ladies. Men, we start this live on when we get to level 10. That's when men come on live. But I have some couple of friends, men, who normally comes on live because they've gotten to level 10. So right now I'm not going to talk much about this. Let me just look for one friend, and let me look for this friend of mine, so that we can have some little conversation, and you guys will understand what I'm trying to tell you. So right now, this is one of my friends. His name is Abronoma. So this friend of mine is actually online. He's doing live. He's completing his tax, but actually he's also at his workshop. So this is very simple thing you could do anywhere, whether you're not at your work, or you can do part-time business, or you can do full-time business job. So it's very simple. This actually helped a lot of people. I've seen a lot of people who it has actually helped them to earn some couple of dollars from. So as you can see, this is my friend right now. Actually, she's on live, and I don't want to disturb her, so I'm going to go straight to somewhere else to understand you guys, to put you guys through some certain things. She's actually completing one of her taxes. So this is how the app actually looks like. I will have to leave her platform. So I go back to my page, and I have a lot of friends. So for us a male like if you want to complete your tax, it's very simple. So I don't want to put all this explanation into this video, because it's gonna confuse you guys, or it's gonna let the video be so much long for you guys to understand. So right now I can withdraw this coin, but I'm not going to do any withdrawal right now. For the withdrawal, I can withdraw into my mobile money, my USDT, or bank account. It's very, very easily. So you have a lot of method of you withdrawing. So if you want to add your payment, so as you can see, you have ePay, you have USDT, you have MTN. So if you're located in Ghana, you can use MTN to withdraw. And if you're located outside there or any part of this country, you guys can take a currency called USDT or TRC20. So this is where you can withdraw right now. But for me, I'm not going to do any withdrawal because I haven't earned anything for now. So I'm going to go back. So for me, I have rules to register people, because I realize that as a male in this platform is very little enjoyable but very stressful to start earning. But for the female, the maker, they just start, they can earn any amount of money through their hard work. So I normally gamble with people, but I don't have a couple of coins right now, so I'm not going to gamble much. I think I have like little coins, so I'll click on this party, family, friend, family, and family. I'm going to gamble with this guy on his party. So this is how the party actually looks like. So this platform is very good. I'm going to mute it because it's going to disturb the sound. So this is the agent. So if I want to gamble right now, just go straight to the box right corner. And I don't have a couple of coins. As you can see, I have only 270. So I'm not going to gamble. I wish I could, but I can't. I normally love gambling, but I can't for now. So there's a couple of taxes which is very necessary for you guys to gamble, but for now I think we should go straight to what we came here for. So it's very easy. Actually, when I started this app, they were saying that it's not easy to be an agent in level 1, but actually I make people agent in level 1 very very easily, and I have some couple of rules which I would love to share with you. So actually, every male who want to join this platform, I register them as agent because it's very stress a little to start earning big. But when you get to level 10, you start earning more than you could. But for the female, the because you just register, they start earning immediately. So you can continue completing this tasks, going live, visiting party, gambling, gaming, and you start earning more dollar. Actually, you can do this part-time or full-time, any part of it, and you start earning. You can withdraw mobile money USDT as I showed you earlier. It's very good. Look, it's very good and easy to enjoy. So this will be I'm going to create a new video about talking about how to complete your taxes. So I'm going to bring it in short right now because I don't want the video to be very long. So if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I'll be bringing up a new video about a website which are going to use them as full-time business or full-time job, as this one, part-time, full-time. Any part of it is your own decision, but just make sure that you keep working on what you've not earned, because sometimes people are earning and you don't earn, you just give up. No, we don't work that way. You have to make sure you find a result before, if you want to decide to give up, you give up. It's your own concern, but I'll urge you to find a final answer to your question. So if you have any question or you have any problem, make sure you subscribe and comment under the description below, and I'll attend to you with any. Look, it works in the whole world, no matter your location, UK, Nigeria, wherever you are, it works there. So if you're new, make sure you check out. And those who have actually joined the platform, they don't know how the platform works, I'm going to leave the WhatsApp link. And if you are new, you want an agent, make sure you copy my ID, which is 4277770. Or if you download the app from the Play Store, I'm going to leave every link, the agent link, the host link. For the women, please use the host link, and for the male, please use the agent's link, because there's difference. Please, the female, don't use the agent link because it's going to confuse you guys. After you use the agent link, make sure you comment so that I'll add you to a group, or you click on the WhatsApp link under the description below. Thank you very much for joining, and I'll be with you. I'll be bringing up a new video. I'll be right back. See you next time, or see you in my next video. Goodbye.